In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website using Hostinger. This is an essential skill for any website owner, as having a backup ensures that your content, design, and data are safe and recoverable in case anything goes wrong, such as a technical glitch or a cyber attack. All right, let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the Websites option on the menu. Click on it, which will then display a list of all the websites you have in your account. From there, find the website you'd like to back up and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to a new page where you can access all the management tools for your selected website. Once you are in the management area of your website, the next step is to access the Files section. You'll see an option labeled Files. Click on it. After you've done that, look for Files Backups under the Manage Backups section. This section is really the heart of your website's backup tools, and it allows you to create a secure copy of your site's files and databases. Now that you're looking at the backup options, it's time to choose the date for your backup. You'll have the opportunity to select a specific date from the available backups that Hostinger has automatically created for you. Once you've picked the date you want, just click Next. This part of the process is where you have some flexibility to include exactly what you need in your backup. A list of files will appear, and you'll notice checkboxes next to each one. Simply tick the boxes next to the files you want to include in your backup. This could be everything, or just specific parts of your site. This feature is incredibly useful if you only want to save certain parts of your website. After you've selected the files, find the Download button and go ahead and click it. Your selected files will begin to download, creating a local backup that you can store safely on your computer or an external drive for future reference. Remember, regularly backing up your website is crucial. Scheduling a recurring reminder for yourself can help maintain a habit of backing up your data, ensuring you're never left in the lurch without a current backup. It's all about peace of mind, knowing your hard work is securely saved and can be restored whenever needed. That wraps up our tutorial on backing up your WordPress website using Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow these steps each time you need to create a backup of your site. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful website management tips and tutorials. Stay safe, and until next time, happy website managing!